Union Minister for Road Transport, Highways and Shipping, Nitin Gadkari, graced a function celebrating the birth centenary of Rani Gaidinliu held at DC Complex, Peren, Nagaland, wherein he was felicitated with a grand Naga headgear, spear, jackets, shawl and jewellery. Governor P.B. Acharya and Chief Minister of Nagaland T.R. Zeliang flanked him. Addressing hundreds of people, mainly Zeliangrong people from Nagaland, Gadkari called upon the people to make commitment to transform Nagaland into the dream that Rani Gaidinliu and other freedom fighters envisioned. Speaking further, he declared the construction of the 2-lane Maram to Dimapur road via Peren. Gadkari said that the construction of the 181-kilometer Maram-Dimapur road at an estimated cost of Rs 750 crores would commence by March 2016.
You are very much interested in this road from Peren to Dimapur. It is Maram, Peren to Dimapur. So today I am declaring that it is of 181 km through Manipur. It is cost of 750 crores. I will declare already that before March end, we will start the construction of this road. This will be definitely 2-laning with paved shoulders, and it will solve your maximum problem.
Governor Shri P.B. Acharya and Chief Minister Shri T.R. Zeliang eulogized Rani Gaidinliu's works for the nation and also made a plea to people to respect each other's religions.
Today we are passing through a very crucial period. So let us make the best use of this opportunity. India is a secular country. Therefore, my appeal to all the religious leaders to respect each other and be a good believer. We should be a good believer, be it Christian, Muslim, Hindu or Haraka.
The 17th Northeast Book Fair held at Guwahati drew in many youth, proving that youngsters of today have not given up on books in times of internet and television. The entry of students to the fair was free. The fair included 105 stalls with books for children and adults, books in English, Assamese and other languages. Atlas, dictionaries, books on great men and women were all there. Then there were books on world peace, peace in the time of crisis, books on tolerance, and books on Islam in the stall put up by the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, whose representatives said that their main motto is to spread awareness that Islam does not preach violence. The fact that youth, irrespective of their religions, bought books to know more about Islam showed the secular credentials of the Northeast yet again.
हमारा जो मकसद है आज दुनिया में, हम सिर्फ गुवाहाटी में नहीं बल्कि दुनिया के 207 कंट्रीज़ में जहाँ पर भी बुक फेयर होता है उसमें हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। और ख़ास तौर पर नौजवानों को जो इस वक्त किताब नहीं पढ़ने की वजह से या मज़हब के बारे में नहीं जानने की वजह से आज मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म का नशा में या गलत फहमी में वो लोग मुब्तला हो जाते हैं और मुख्तलिफ़ तरीक़े इख्तियार करके मुआशरे में ख़राबी पैदा करते हैं। हम उनको कोशिश करते हैं कि मज़हब का जो सही तालीम है, सही तालीम अगर उनको मालूम हो जाए तो वो मज़हब की सही तालीम की वजह से वो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की ख़राबियाँ से दूर आकर वो मुआशरा का एक बेहतरीन हिस्सा बन सकता है।
Sangeet Natak Akademi Award winner for the year 2014, Nongthombam Amusana Devi from Manipur, who received her award recently from the President of India on the 23rd of October in the dance category, amazes one with her grace and agility, despite the fact that she is nearing 60 years of age. Dancing at the Festival of Performing Arts in New Delhi's Meghdoot Theatre, the dancer, born on 1st January 1956 in Nityananda Lairak, Imphal, says that she dances not for awards or money, but for the love of dancing. Nonetheless, she is very happy to have received the award. Amusana had received her initial training in dancing under various gurus, as also in the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy of Imphal, Manipur, where she now also works as senior production assistant in the production unit of JNMDA, wherein she trains young dancers of the state in Manipuri dance. Her plea to the state government is to spend more on artists.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯈꯤꯗꯒꯦ ꯉꯥꯡꯈꯤꯗꯒꯦ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯦꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯏꯟꯀꯔꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
Amusana has performed across India and in several foreign countries like UK, China, Japan, France, Myanmar, North and South Korea, South Africa, New Zealand and Germany. Apart from dancing, she has choreographed over 40 dance dramas for JNMDA. The grand old lady is pained by present situation in Manipur and advocates peace and harmony between tribes.